Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up subscriptions on Shopify. The process is going to be very easy. Now, what we're going to do is to head over the admin dashboard of our Shopify store. Once you are here, we are going to install the subscription app on our Shopify. So we have multiple subscriptions apps, of course. We are going to click or search for subscription, and then we're going to search in the Shopify App Store. We have the developed or the special developed from Shopify app. Here we have Shopify subscription, and we have some other subscriptions apps, as you can see. So if you are going to install one of the subscriptions, go ahead and see the reviews and also the rating. So we have App Store. I have used this app called App Store, and it has some advantages. So you're going to have here also Joy subscription app, which is going to be very, let's say, customizable, and everything is going to be working well with these apps. So we have App Store, Joy, Shopify subscriptions, CF subscriptions also, and etc. I'm going to set up the process with the Shopify subscription, which is going to be the more simplified method. We're going to install this app. Usually in your case, you're going to see the button install and not open because I have already installed the app. I'm going to open it. Then we are going to see the process. Basically, you are going to add a subscription. So you are not going to add the product as a only one time selling only, but you can go ahead and sell it for subscriptions. For example, you're going to give the customers the choice either to have the subscription and get a discount for example, I don't know here, 10, 20% off the product price. But in exchange, they are going to buy the product recurrently. So they are going to buy the product each, for example, one time of the week, once a month, or once a year, for example, or every month, or every week, or every year. Now we are going to see here the app. So you're going to follow up the setup guide. Here we have only 5 steps you follow. The first thing, which is going to be here creating the first subscription plan. So you are going to click on create plan, and then you are going to put a plan title, a purchase option title. For example, here we have the subscribe and save. For example, subscribe. For example, I'm going to put here something else, and get a, for example, discount every month. So here we are going to select the product. I'm going to click on here, browse, select the product that you are going to put the subscription for. Here it is not going to be set up for only one product, but multiple products, of course. So also the variations are going to be available in case you're going to sell a variation on a subscription plan or only some products. I'm going to add these two. So we are going to click on add. Here we have the product showing. Now we are going to see basically the discount and the delivery. Everything is going to be played here. So you're going to decide whether you are going to put an offer discount or not. But here, since we have put the title as discount every month, we're going to give obviously a discount, and of that a percentage, a amount, or also a fixed price. So go ahead and choose one of the 3 options from here. So if you are going to put a percentage off, you can go ahead and put it in the title. For example, I'm going to have here amount off, and you're not going to mention it. It is up to you. A fixed price, it is going to be also like that. Let's go ahead and add a percentage. But here we are going to start by the delivery frequency. So we are going to deliver one time for that product, and the delivery interval is going to be months, weeks, years. So we are going to deliver that product once a month. The percentage is going to be off. Here is 15%. For example, here of 15%. So we are going to make that offer, let's say you're attracting a little bit. So you can add also another option for getting here a delivery frequency of 1 time per week or 2 times, for example, per month, like this. And they are going to get here 20% off. So here we have added 2 discounts. So I'm going to click on save here. I'm going to put the plan title here, discount 15 to 20, for example. I'm going to name it just like that. And then we are going to be back to the subscription. Now here we have set up the first thing. The second thing is to import the existing contracts if you have already from a CSV template. That is in case that you have practiced or applied this method of getting subscriptions from a website or another platform like WooCommerce or Wix. So you're going to get your data together from here. So the third part or the third step is going to be add subscription to product page. So we are going basically to add the widget. I'm going to click on add subscription widget and you're going to be guided to the Shopify shop builder. So we are going to get it right there. You're going to see the app embeds, and from the app embeds, you're going to activate the app. So basically you are going to see it just right there. And here, as you can see, we have subscription widget. And normally we are going to see it just right here. Now we can control the placement of it by seeing it. As you can see, we have it twice. I'm going to delete only one and let the unique one. So you're going to see here the purchase or named as purchase option. So I am going to put it here above the buy button because it is going to be crucial to have it before they can buy it. So we have the one-time purchase or the deliver every week. So here, this is something that I did not have considered. So I think that it is going to be here due to this product. So I'm going to change the product. Here we have the option that we have added. Subscribe and get a discount of 15% every month. Deliver every month, 15% off. Deliver every 2 months, 20% off. So you're going to have this discount set up as this. Now you can go ahead and allow the customers to manage their subscription. So you are going to turn on the subscription management, and this is a must to set up the app. Now you can go ahead and see the management. As you can see, this is an example given by the app. So you are going to give them here the management of their subscription for the profiles. You are going to add in here. So you are going to put here subscriptions, add to account, and you can add to menu, for example. You are going to add it to the menu, just like that. And you're going to label it just like this. And then you have it here. Now, aside from that, you're going to head over the next page, which is going to be customized notification. You can go ahead and customize the notification for the customers and let them say everything. So here you can go ahead and see the contracts of the subscription of your customers, and also you can set up some things or some of the let's say here problems that will face up the widget or the app. Basically, that was all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.